how's everybody doing? I know it's been a while, but I've been busy, as in busy making money. So this is actually what I consider a good problem. That's why I haven't been making too many videos on the tube lately. But anyhow, today is September 28, 2019, Saturday. And as of yesterday, September 27th, I've had this truck for 2 years. Here's what the mileage was at the end of the day yesterday. Yeah, hard to believe. I already got over 53,000 miles on it. But hey, it's been absolutely flawless, except the one notable hiccup that I pointed out in another video, the starter and the battery. But once I made those upgrades, or at least the upgrade to the battery, the starter is a stock Mopar starter. It was covered by warranty, so I wasn't going to spend the money on that. So anyhow, that's pretty much been it. It's been great. I like this truck. The only other thing I was forced to pull the trigger on a little sooner than I wanted to was the tires here. Let me explain that. First off, let me start by saying something I have been wanting to say about the tires. The truck came from the factory. That was the Firestone Transforce AT. Not a good tire at all. In the world of tires, the Firestone Transforce AT is what you would get if a steaming pile of dog crap could take a crap. And I was at least hoping that those tires would have lasted me for the rest of the warm season, and then I was going to do everything that I had just done here during the winter season. So as you can see here, I had to have the tires replaced, and I actually had the wheels powder coated a gloss black. And another thing you'll notice, I even made the request, I drew a chalk line right under the second R of terrain, because you see everything aligns with the valve stem. Yes. I can be that neurotic sometimes. See, you have the lug nut here, the ram's head actually aligns with the valve stem, so does that R. So the ram's head is upright, it says BF Goodrich. Upright. Again, I'm a bit strange that way. So yeah, I didn't want to pull that trigger yet because I am trying to save the final monies I need to just pay off the truck, and then I can start spending money in the truck. But hey, safety first. I wasn't going to have a blowout, cause an accident, kill myself or someone else. I wasn't going to be responsible for that and possibly total the truck, and I was not going to lose the truck that way. So pulled the safety card on that, and I said, now maybe I can just get the expense over and done with. So it was a worthwhile investment. It's a very good tire, this BF Goodrich All-Terrain TA. You can't lose with any BF Goodrich product for that matter. After all, BF Goodrich is a Michelin brand. But anyway, that's what I did here. I really like how it came out, and props to K&S Powder Coating. They just did an amazing job with this. So now we mosey on over to the interior in a Mosley kind of way. Not much to see here. I wasn't really big on modding the interior, nothing like that. I will say for a light cloth interior, it's held up pretty well. It's full of dust. I know I am going to send this truck out to have the interior done. But yeah. Yeah, that's a grease spot. Yeah, that's primarily why I'm sending it out though. But don't worry, take it to the pros and they'll drop a train on these grease stains. Other than that, the fabric is all intact, considering how many times I get in and out of the truck. Well, let me give you the exact mileage now that it's showing 54,488 miles. It's been flawless, absolutely flawless. Yeah, do a show around. I already mentioned the wheels. After 2 years and 53,000 miles in a short period of time, yeah, I had to do a little touching up. You know, the sun's very strong, so I'm aware that might be glared out by the sun. But you know, stones and stuff are gonna fly. These splash guards have done an amazing job. I have the side steps in the work. Got some bed rails in the works as well, and hopefully I can get that done before the year is out. But Hey, this is what happens when you take care of your vehicles. This has just been great. Can't say enough good things. So, not much to show, and some people are asking to see the engine compartment. I guess I'll show that right now. Here's the engine compartment. Not much to see here. Like I said, I made a point of buying this particular truck, so it would already come from the factory beefed up. You know, I wouldn't have to mess with it. The only interesting turn of events was the gasket had come apart on my OE style K&N filter. So I sent some pictures to K&N, no questions asked. They just sent me a brand new one, which, by the way, on a side note, websites like K&N, you can buy directly from the website. Always a good idea if you can. Set up an account in the case of K&N and buy from them. Keep track of your order number, make a PDF of it, whatever. So if something like that ever does happen, they didn't even want the old one back. They just sent me a brand spanking new one. So I ended up not cleaning it at 50K, but rather installed the brand new one at exactly 50,000 miles. And that's about it. Not much else. I keep it clean. I sent it to the dealer yesterday, or the day before yesterday. They just changed the fluid in the differentials, the transfer case, hooked the transmission up to the BG machine, hooked the power steering pump up to the BG machine, and they did what they call a 6K service as well. They ran some BG EPR 109 before doing the oil change. They put the BG MOA afterwards. So, like I said, take care of your vehicles. They'll be with you a long time, especially trucks, because the price of new trucks are getting out of control. Well, anyway, that's been 2 years with this truck, and it's been very good, and I can't see why I can't have this for many, many more years. And it's the vehicle I've been looking for all those years. The vehicle that can make me the promise that if I take care of it, it's going to just keep on running, and it's going to take care of me. Couldn't exactly say that about some previous vehicles, so hopefully I have many more awesome videos of this truck to come. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll have more time between now and the end of the year to get a few more videos here in the tube.